Welcome to room 670. It's a pretty interesting room. It's spacious. It's very interesting though. So there's no closet. It's all open aired right here. You can put your bags down here on this little stand. There is a refrigerator right here. Right here is the safe. They have a bunch of different books in here as well. Let's see here. They got World Street Photography 4, 5, and 6, and a couple others. Modernism Rediscovered. Right here, they've got a small desk, 2 Euro plugs, no USB or USB-C. You do have your TV. The room here, not too terribly bad. You can look into people doing their work, but you do have this cool building here. We are in HafenCity and we're near the warehouse district right on one of the canals, so that's pretty cool. There's a magazine rack right over here. They've got like old drums for nightstands, and it looks like just a Euro plug and a Euro plug. So only Euro plugs, no USB plugs in here at all. Now, I'm going to show you something kind of crazy. Not Haitian, but like it's the window to the shower and the bathroom. So there's just a sheer curtain over here. So if you're sharing a room with friends, you're going to get to know each other a lot better, or you're going to have to like leave while they do their stuff. So it's a nice shower though. Rain head shower. It's got the wand shower. There are a couple towel hooks right over here, and your mirror, and of course it wouldn't be complete without a toilet seat. Just a couple helpful tips. One, the AC will not go below 21. It's been staying at 24.1, but the room temp is set for 21. So if you like it cold, it's probably not the place for you, or bring a fan. The other one, okay, if you don't want to die of a broken neck, see this chair right here, you don't stretch in it. I leaned back, I don't know, maybe like 3.5, 4 inches, kind of like stretched my back while I was typing, and it tipped over, like right on my... Fortunately, there's enough space between the bed, so I didn't like hit my neck and crack it, so decoration only. So this is the rooftop during the day. Not a bad view, eh? Now here's a cool thing that they got. They have a cell phone stand right here. You can go and set your phone here, put on a timer, and get a selfie of yourself with that. It'll look something like this. Snap. Now when I flip it back around, if you look down, you'll see like two metal, it looks like smokestacks. Those are symbolic smokestacks. That building used to be the power station for all the warehouses here. The oldest building dates back to like, it was 1864 or something like that. It's old. And because it's not in a controlled area for the water, it can flood over there. So nobody's allowed to live there. So only businesses can be there, but they're redoing the whole district, the whole Hafen House or Hafen Center, Hafen Town. Yeah. HafenCity. There we go. That means harbor, but yeah, maybe I'll learn where I'm at or remember anyway. Too many times hitting the head. What I just showed you at night, it's a bar. One thing about Hamburg, I expected because it's the second largest city, I expected a lot of like older architecture. But as we drove through on the hop on, hop off bus, Hamburg is a very modern city. They've redone a lot of the old buildings so they look new. So you're not going to get the traditional German feel. So if you're coming to Hamburg to try and get like the German feel, the small like Germantown feel, you're not going to get it here. There's so many new buildings here, and it's interesting, a little disappointing, but we're going to go to Berlin tomorrow instead of spending another day here, so we can try and see some other things here in Germany. From this hotel, it's a 20-minute walk to the train station, and from there it costs 11 euros total to go from here to Berlin and 11 back. So 22 euros for two of us round trip to go from Hamburg to Berlin. It's about a 2-hour ride. But so if you're staying here and you want to go into Berlin, not that bad. Speaking of hop on, hop off, one of the stops is right in front of the hotel. We didn't even know it. So we got on to the hop on, hop off by the miniature Wonderland. And the next stop after that was here. So that's pretty cool. So if you want to do hop on, hop off, don't look for anything. Just go outside and it'll be right there.